In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the mobile view of your WordPress site. This is an essential skill in today's digital age, as more and more people are accessing websites via their smartphones and tablets. Ensuring your WordPress site is mobile-friendly not only enhances user experience but also boosts your SEO performance. Let's dive in. First, we need to access your WordPress dashboard. You'll do this by simply logging into your WordPress account as usual. Once you're in the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. It's your command center for managing and customizing your site. Next, you will want to navigate to the Appearance section, which you can find on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Hover over Appearance, and then click on Customize. This will open up the WordPress Customizer. The Customizer is where you can make real-time changes to how your site looks without affecting the live version until you're ready. Now, in the Customizer, look for the device icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen. This icon looks like a desktop screen and sometimes has a smartphone version near it. Click on it, and you'll be able to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Select the mobile view option so you can see exactly how your site looks on a smartphone. Once you've entered the mobile view, you can start making adjustments specific to mobile devices. You might notice that some elements look out of place or overlap each other. Don't worry, this is common during the initial transition to mobile view. We're here to fix that. One thing you might want to do is adjust your fonts and images. Ensure the text is readable without requiring users to zoom in. You might need to reduce image sizes to fit the screen efficiently. To do that, simply click on the sections you want to edit, and use the tools provided to resize or adjust text and images as needed. Next, check your site's navigation menu in mobile view. Oftentimes, the desktop menu doesn't translate well to mobile. Consider using a hamburger menu, which is a more streamlined, icon-based navigation format that saves space. After you've made these adjustments, remember to save your changes. Look for the Publish button, typically located at the top of the Customizer. Press it, and your edits will take effect on the live site. Finally, it's always a good practice to test your website on an actual mobile device. This gives you the most accurate representation of how visitors will experience your site. As you browse through it, make sure everything appears correctly and loads quickly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully edited your WordPress site's mobile view. With these adjustments, your site should now provide an excellent user experience for mobile visitors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips.